Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing some Telfar bags that I got. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. As we all know, Telfar is one of the it bags. If you don't know, now you know. But I have been rocking with Telfar since they came out. And so I had to order some more. I ordered these when they did the rainbow release. So basically they released all of the colors. And y'all, that was a stressful time because you have to like log on, get into a waiting room, and then when you got in the waiting room, you only have so much time before the bags that you put in your cart were like sold out. So I went in knowing exactly what colors I wanted, what sizes I wanted, and I got what I wanted. So I'm going to show you all the colors that I got. As you can tell by the box, I got some nice size ones, but I bought two for myself and then I bought one for my sister. She wanted the, what is it, forest green, olive green, whatever that green is, that's the one she wanted, so got her that. And then for me, I got, the first one that I got is the, what is this, the small tan, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I also love that they come in these like bags. It makes it so easy when you're just like storing it. Oh, look at it. Oh, just makes my heart so happy. But yeah, I got the small tan. So I actually have the medium size tan, and I really love the color. So here it is. And oh, this is Velcro. I always thought I was one of them. Never mind. I love how like small and compact it is, and the straps are long enough that you can like fit it as a crossbody or over your shoulder. The reason I got another small one is because these are actually approved bags that can go into like stadiums, depending on what stadium you're going into. But I've been to State Farm and Mercedes-Benz and the Brave Stadium, SunTrust Stadium, and these all like they fit, they can search it, it's real easy, and so I love the small ones because I can do that with it. Or if I'm going out somewhere and I don't really feel like carrying too much stuff, this size is perfect. And the color is perfect because it's a pretty neutral color, so I can kind of match it with any outfit that I wear. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this one. And then the other one that I got is a medium size, and I got the black, black, couldn't remember which color I got. The black medium size shopping bag. Again, love the bags that they come in. Oh, y'all, my heart, ooh! Look at this black one. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is, it's giving. It's 100% giving. I love the medium ones because they're perfect for when I go to work or if I go out, like it's not too big. Oh, my heart's so happy. I'm about to change my work bag to this one right now. Y'all, I go to a lot of conferences with my job, and a lot of times, like, you know, I want to make sure that I walk with either my laptop or my iPad, and, you know, still want to fit other things in my purse. And this is it right here. I can't wait. I have another conference coming up in March. Yes, March. Best believe this is going in this suitcase. But the reason I love, like I said, the medium-sized ones, especially this black one, is that it literally can go with anything, no matter what outfit I'm wearing, no matter what color I'm wearing. This is gonna match. And I actually have the small black one. It's always something outside my window. Anyway, I also have the small black one, and I wear that so much, so I knew black was the color I needed to get. I try to stick with neutral colors when it comes to any like handbags or purses or whatever. It just makes it easier for me to match, and then also it allows me to have some longevity with these bags. You know, wearing a cute one, a pink one is cute, right? But how often am I gonna wear a pink one? And you know, pink, depending on the season, you might get it out like in the spring summer. Really I can only see it in the spring summer, yeah, but I'd rather have colors that I can use year round. So the black one, but then I want to show y'all the other ones that I do have, because why not? Because after the 2 that I just bought, I have 6 Telfar bags. Now I know there's people out there who have like every color. Kudos to you, but yeah, I only have 6. So with the rainbow sale, they said, you know, it was gonna take some time. I think the sale was in like September, and everyone was supposed to get their bags by the end of October. The problem is that the sale like was so successful that people that put in orders, like everyone wasn't getting their stuff on time. So they gave me a $100 credit to go towards another bag, and I was like, say less. So bag number 7 on the way. I just have to find a color that I really want. I think I want the painter's tape blue, because as you know, I'm a Zeta and it's the closest thing to royal blue, and why not? It's not a neutral color, but come on, I gotta be a little extra, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bags that I have. This is the tan medium, and I've actually worn this many times, and look at the wear. Like, you would not be able to tell like I wore this bag for a whole year as my work bag. This is what I mean. You're paying for good quality bags. So if you haven't hopped on the train yet, please do. Next is the small black. I'm telling y'all, this was my go-to purse for any concert I went to. If I was going out, this was the purse I was using. I've never really used them like with these small handles, but I use it as a crossbody on the shoulder. And like I said, y'all, the wear, like storing it in these bags is amazing. Like, this is like just came out of the bag, like I just ordered it. So the next color that I have is actually one that I haven't worn yet. I got it for my birthday and for my sister, and I haven't had a chance to wear it yet because I wasn't sure where I would wear it. But it's this neon, I guess is this neon yellow or neon yellow small bag, and I was really like, when am I gonna wear this? But then my sister got me a pair of sneakers, and Nike sneakers, and the Nike check mark is this color, and I was like, yes. So once it gets warmer, I'll definitely be using this one. So I haven't used it, but it's out of my normal, you know, neutral range, but because I have some sneakers that can match with it, I feel like I can make this work. And I also think like I don't know if I'm doing an all white outfit because I'm still afraid to wear all white outfits, but an all white outfit during the summertime with this, top tier. So this is the cream medium, and again, I've actually only worn this one once. I bought this one off of my sister. I kind of persuaded her to let me buy this one off of her, but I really like this one. I am a little nervous because I haven't like, and y'all let me know down in the comments if you figured out a way to like clean these bags, so like if for whatever reason something was to get on it, and because they're like, I think it's like vegan leather or something like that, so I can probably look it up, but if you know, please drop it in the comments. But this is one that I would wear like going out, like if I'm going to brunch or out to dinner or something. I feel like it's the perfect size to where it's not bulky, I can still fit all that I need to fit in the bag, and you know, wear a cute outfit. This one you can dress up, dress down, so I'm really excited to continue wearing this one. So one of the other things that I wanted to share with you all regarding Telfar bags is that, one, they're great quality, they have great sizes. I've never gotten any of the large ones, but I've seen a lot of people use the large ones as like carry-on bags or overnight bags, so I may potentially get another one not potentially, I am. I got that $100 credit. But when I do get the next one, I'll probably do a large size one, probably a large black one to use like if I'm traveling, because I do plan on doing some traveling this year. So I definitely think I would probably get a large one to see how that works as far as like a carry-on. One of the other things that I wanted to share is how to secure a Telfar bag. Now let me tell y'all, because Telfar bags are so popular, you really have to be on it when a style color drops. So for me, I signed up for like their email notifications. That helps me, like they'll send an email saying like, okay, on this day at 12 p.m. we're releasing this color, and they usually only do one color at a time. So unless it's like a rainbow sale, just expect to only have that color that they're advertising to be present. All of the others will say sold out. So I suggest signing up for the email notifications. I also suggest following them on Instagram, because that's usually where you'll see them pop up and be like, oh, you know, this color coming soon, this style coming soon. So definitely follow them on Instagram and figure out what color and what size you want, because you don't have time to go in and window shop when a you know, a color comes out. You need to know like, okay, this is the color I want. What size do I want? Do I have the funds for it? Let me make sure my account is up to date so I can purchase it. Because what you don't want to have happen is you get on the site and let's say they're dropping like the painter's tape blue, right? And so you're like trying to figure out, do I want the small, medium, or large? And then you don't know which one you want, and then you need to make sure that the card on file in your account is good. You have no time to play around. So figuring out, okay, I want the small painter's tape blue. I know when I get in, I'm clicking on that one, I'm adding it to my cart, and I'm checking out. There's no other things that I need to do. So definitely sign up for their notifications, because that's usually where I find out that they're releasing a certain color. If they were to do a rainbow drop again, I would suggest mapping out what colors you want, what sizes you want, if you want multiple, if you only want one, and then really like have that list down. And then on the day of, this is what I did. Let me tell you what I did. I had my laptop, my phone, and my iPad. I had the site pulled up on all three of my devices, and because I was in a waiting room, so my phone was like a waiting time of like an hour, but my laptop said a waiting time of like 20 minutes, and then my iPad said like 40 minutes. So I knew that if for whatever reason something happened to my laptop, I had a backup option and an additional backup option. So I would suggest, if you have the ability to do so, to have it pulled up on multiple devices, so that way you can go in and hit the ground running. So that is all the Telfar bags that I have. Best believe I'm gonna add some more to my collection. But let me know down in the comments if you have any Telfar bags, if you want one, what color you want. I'd love to see some of your comments about that. But thank you again for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. Until next time, bye.